All right, coach. First of all, what's your thoughts on the first half? Nilal, I think it's disappointed. The team couldn't hold off.
Disappointed with the first half, with the execution of some of the players, and as we realised, we really did hang on until half-time. And then, of course, we made a single change, and then we started to get a grip on the game. I think we're doing well. I think we're reducing Arnett Gardens to really just some last balls and stuff. And I think where it all went wrong was just our lack of concentration in somewhere around the 76, 77 minute, when there was a lull in the game, there was a break in the game, and then Arnett Gardens seemed to have responded a bit quicker once the game resumed.
It seems like the game plan was to sit a bit deeper and catch them on the counter. In the transition, the moments in transition, you really apart.
We really did have a plan for this game, as you noticed in the earlier part of the game. You know, we went long deliberately, of course. But the whole intention was to provide a little bit energy in the game, hold out as long as possible, and then inject a little life with Fagan and with Rose and with others and Reed. Right? To some extent, it seemed to be working. I think we were right on target right up until the 77th minute, and then we just lost it.
Yeah, the cutting edge in those transitions, because the transition looked really good, but the final cutting edge,
the
final,
and that is what has been killing us ever since the exit of Bradford, you know. So we have to keep plugging away, hopefully that we can find goals from some source, and then we can defend it, because I know, as a team, I know that we can do that. But against a good Arnett Gardens team, you really have to hold out and concentrate for long periods. And I think just as at the 77 minute, I think we lost it. All right, good.